Hey guys, this is Tracy Lee at TracyLeeCoaching.com, and welcome to my video tonight where we use recommended system that we use to make money online. Tonight's topic is 3 things that hold you back in your business. But before we do that, please hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to hit the likes, comments, and share button. Hit the notification bell so that when I go live, you hear that ping go ding. Hey, I'm live. So now tonight, like I said, the topic tonight is 3 things that hold you back in your business. That's a major thing. This is a big thing for me too, is how I started, and this is 3 of the things that held me back the most, which I could think of that was holding me back in my business, that I want to share with you so that you don't go through that same thing. I'm sure a lot of you have, but that's part of becoming an entrepreneur. You have to break through those barriers to get where you're going. Tonight, the number one thing that holds a lot of us back, holds quite a few people back, is fear. All right, fear is say for instance of doing a live video, like doing a live video. Like the biggest fear of doing a live video is just right when you first start, and that fear is like, so that is the biggest fear right there. Like say doing a live video is just getting first started, or for instance worrying about what other people think about you. Who cares what other people think about you? You're doing this for you, nobody else. And that's where it's at. Don't worry about what people think of you, but that is a big fear. People worry about what people think about how they see them. Oh no, I don't look good enough, and oh my goodness, oh my blush is all gone. It's all, oh mom. You don't worry about that. Don't worry about that at all. That's one of the biggest fears. Another biggest fear is like when you first start a video, that is the biggest fear, and then moving forward with that, most people can't get through that. They just can't get through the fear of just going forward and trying to complete the video. They just fall and just shut it off, or whatever they do with it. I don't know, but I just keep moving forward. That's what I do. And you get over that fear eventually after doing so many, repetition, you get better at it, and you finally break through that fear. But the biggest fear is right when you start that video. Your fear is right there. That's the biggest fear you have. That's the most fear can impose on you. Fear itself. And then you break through that, and you pretty much are okay. That's how I've gone through it. But another thing is number two. This is a biggie, people. So listen up. Procrastination. I'm guilty. I procrastinated a lot. Not knowing, fear. I've gone through that, and believe me, it's not worth it. Don't go through that fear. But procrastination is one of the biggest fears of everybody's online journey, especially putting off what you know and what you should be doing. That's happened to me a lot. I knew what to do, I know how to do it, but I wasn't doing it. I was just ad-libbing and oh, I'll get by it, blah, blah, blah. Well, that's not how it works. You have to do the work. Like the coaches say, there's no getting around it. There's no buttering the biscuit on both sides. You gotta do the work, and if you don't do the work, you won't move forward. Plain and simple. And you know what you should be doing, and knowing what you should be doing, and then not taking action on it. You don't take any action on it, and you just stay right where you're at, and you don't move forward. You knew what to do, but you didn't do it. Procrastination. And that's what was one of the biggest ones for me. I still have it. I still get that. But I'm starting to break through it. I'm starting to get through that procrastination stage where I don't worry about, okay, this has to be done by next week. I got to do it. I got to do my regular job, go do my funding proposal opportunities and get those out of the way, and do a good job, and then come back and do my homework. And that way I continue to move forward instead of staying in one place. pretty much self-explanatory. Now, number 3, this is a biggie, folks. I mean, are you guys hearing that? I mean, procrastination, that's a killer. You know, that's from that fear that you started out with to begin with. You don't need that. And number 3, that's like they'll opt into an opportunity of whatever they're opting into. They'll get their back office. It'll be all set up for them. Their back office, their trainings, their coaching, and whatever else they have lined up, set up through their company or whatever they opted into. And then they didn't do anything. They don't do anything. They don't even opt into their back office. So we got to make sure that when somebody opts in, we have to go and tell them, go open your back office and get into those trainings and start learning. And you'll find that it's not so bad, and you can move forward from there. Little steps are little steps, and you can keep moving forward from there. And then if they don't, you just say, well, then why did you even opt into this opportunity at all, or into an online business, if you weren't going to even open up the back office? That's just throwing your money away, left and right. No good. It's no good. So anyways, those are three of the top fear factors, 3 things that hold you back in your business. Those are 3 of my biggest that I'm overcoming, and I am overcoming. And it's a wonderful thing. Once you break through them, things can become easier. Your training becomes easier. You start picking up a little more, and you're not so scared about what people think about you. Who cares what people think about you? And don't worry about fear. Fear is the biggest. That's the biggest false thing that there is. That's fear. That's you fearing yourself. And fear of what other people think of you is a big one too. Like, oh my God, my blush is going away. But anyhow, I just wanted to pop on here and do that little video for tonight. 3 things that hold you back in your business. And those were 3 of my biggest. I hope you got some value out of that tonight. I appreciate everyone for being on my video tonight. Please hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel to be able to see them go live. Hit the notification bell and all that good stuff. But I appreciate every single one of you for being here tonight. And we'll see you on the next live. See you on the next video. Good night.